Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you love eye makeup that's smooth, bold, and lasts all day, then you're going to love today's find. We're talking about the Kaely 2PC's Black and Brown Gel Eyeliner Pencil, a waterproof, smudge-proof, and long-lasting eyeliner that's making waves on Amazon. Kaely 2PC's Black and Brown Gel Eyeliner, waterproof, smudge-proof, long-lasting beauty essential. If you're looking for the perfect eyeliner, gives you smooth definition, lasts all day. The Kaely 2PC's Black and Brown Gel Eyeliner, new go-to, designed for beauty lovers who want bold, precise, without the mess or smudge. This eyeliner set delivers professional quality results each pencil features a soft, creamy gel texture, hides effort. Whether you're going for a natural date brown pencil or a smoky, dramatic eye using the black shade, Kaely makes it easy to achieve the perfect. The formula is waterproof, smudge-proof, ensuring your eyes stay stunning through sweat, tear, humidity. One of the standout features is its multi-use design. It's not just for your eye. You can use it as an eyebrow fill, eyeshadow base, or lip, giving you endless creative possibilities. Plus, it's easy to remove with any gentle makeup, making your routine quick and stress. Packaged beautifully, this eyeliner set also makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, or a birthday. It's suitable for all skin types and makeup styles, from beginners to professionals. With over 4,000 happy customers and a 4.0 plus star rating, Kaely proves that quality beauty doesn't have to break the bank. Add it to your makeup bag today and experience a smooth, stunning, long-lasting color that makes your eyes pop. So if you're looking for an affordable, long-lasting eyeliner that won't smudge or fade, give the Kaely 2PC's Gel Eyeliner Pencil a try. It's creamy, easy to use, and perfect for both everyday wear and bold, creative looks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite eyeliner shade below. And if you want to grab this set, check out the link in the description.